let's jump to my computer screen for a 60-second demo before I tell you how I will double your money back if you do not get results from this. All right guys, welcome to the live demo of ProfileMate. I'm gonna jump straight into it and show you how to use it and the results it will get you, because at the end of the day, all you care about is this gonna get you results and how easy is it to do? So first I want you to think of any page that would have a following on Instagram that you wanna target, right? For example, I'm gonna use Tony Robbins in this example in a minute, and ProfileMate's gonna go through all of his followers, 5.4 million followers, one by one, and start to then pull the key information that we want to get from hundreds of emails a day, mobile numbers, websites. You can see an example here of the type of thing you'll get. You can then take these emails, take the numbers, take the websites, take the usernames, and then go ahead and mass contact them. So what I'm gonna do, find users. I'm gonna go for the followers followings. There's other options here as well. We're gonna view Tony Robbins followers. Boom. I'm gonna hit analyze, and that's how simple it is. You can see here we've already gone through 250, 300, 350, 400 users, and it's going and building me this audience instantly. Now I want you to think for a second, I'm just gonna download that. I want you to think for a second, any page that would have an audience that you want to contact. So if you're in affiliate marketing, for example, here's an affiliate marketing page, 64,000 followers. We scan this in ProfileMate, boom. We literally got hundreds of emails here that we can reach out to and contact. Phone numbers, descriptions of what these people do, their names, so on and so forth. If you're in e-commerce, you might want to do Nike. Or any sporting page, right? We took this image here and we went through and got the most engaged users, and you can see all of the different followers and the engagement scores, public emails, and so on and so forth. We did it for cooking. This cooking page here, you can see all of the different results that we got here instantly. And we even did it for a Instagram account that is about Paris, right? Over in France. And again, all of these insane results here. So simply let it run, download the file, and it's going to give us the usernames. Boom, I'm going to copy that, hit analyze users, paste that in there, type Tony Robbins, hit set, and then you'll be provided with all of the key areas and information we can build an audience on, from public emails, phone numbers, websites, engagement scores, what jobs they do, and so on and so forth. We're going to select it all, we're going to hit next. And then ProfileMate is going to go out and start to get all this information for you and provide it to you in a really nice little document like this here. And you can see instantly, we've already gone through a bunch of users. We've got 2 emails so far, and it will continue on like this. So let me pause this for a second and I'll come back in about 60 seconds. All right, we're back, and you can see here we've now got 85 emails and we've scanned through 849 users so far. So you can imagine how many emails we will get when we get up to the 5 million mark there. And the beautiful thing about this is every email is given from the Instagram account with permission for you to contact them. They want to be contacted. And I just want to show you a quick example of one of our main affiliate partners who tried this the other day, just did exactly what I showed you, implemented it here live in their actual campaign. They did a test campaign for affiliate marketing, sent an affiliate link to the leads they found, and you can see here he's made $1,000. And more, just as impressive in my opinion, 26% open rate, 9.1% click-through rate. It's absolutely insane. And you can see here the $1,000 in sales made here as well. So I think it's an insane tool, and I'm so excited for you to jump in and use this. Never have to pay for ads again, get all the launch week bonuses and whatnot. Now I'm going to jump back into the studio and show you how I will double your money back if you use ProfileMate and you don't get results on day 1. It's literally going to be a risk for you not to pick up. So I'll see you back in the studio. All right guys, so we've made it back here to my house, and I'm sure you can see why ProfileMate is so powerful. This tool will generate you hundreds of leads a day, give you hundreds of emails every single day that you can start to use ethically and start converting into profit right away. To gather all of this data, engagement scores, emails, and details I just showed you there in the demo, it would take months to try to do this manually, if it's even possible at all. With the ability to scan thousands of users every single day, this is literally game-changing in the IM space, allowing people to build targeted email audiences that convert to money in the bank for free for the first time ever. A successful online business is simply an offer and a traffic source, with the traffic source being the #1 issue most people have. ProfileMate gives you that on a mass scale like no other product has ever been able to do before, and more importantly, does this for you for free. It doesn't matter if you have an online business and you're just wanting more customers, or if you're trying to grow your email leads for your affiliate marketing business on how to train your pet bird, or if you have a local marketing business like a restaurant, a surgeon, or a nightclub, pay you to do their social media work for them. And if you want to start a drop shipping e-com business selling products online, ProfileMate will give you the traffic that is interested and will convert today. So before I talk to you about how I will double your money back if this does not get you results, I want you to stop for a second and think. If you could look back at opportunities from the .com boom to SEO, to when Facebook ads first went live, to Facebook Live, to email marketing, the same goal was always there: to engage with customers on a personal level. With ProfileMate, you will be able to contact users who not only want to be reached out to, but that will convert higher than any other user because they are Instagram users, the highest converting type of social media users online. It has never been this simple. Put simply, if you are not building a list that you can sell to multiple times and meet their needs with a product or service, you are losing money while others are making it. ProfileMate is not only going to be a huge asset to your business, but a huge game changer to your life in general. This is the opportunity that you have been waiting for, and I will double your money back if it does not get you results. But I'm going to talk to you about that more in a minute. You guys are literally one of the first to ever be able to do what I just showed you. And because you're seeing this video here, you're in the best time to jump on this ever and get results today, and this is why. So thank you for picking this up right now in launch week. I wanted to give you access to ProfileMate with full agency rights, so you can use this for clients, friends, or any business at all for just a one-time investment at the price of a dinner out. On top of that, during launch week, I'm throwing in a bunch of bonuses that are for launch week members only. The first bonus we are providing is our 5x search module, allowing you to search 5 times the amount of profile users every single day than users will be allowed to do after launch week. This means that after launch, you'll be able to do what others will take 5 days to do in just 1 day. Secondly, for launch week only, you will get full agency rights, allowing you to use ProfileMate on any client account. Post-launch, this will be a cost of $197 a year, but if you get this right now, it will be free. Businesses pay top dollar for leads, especially targeted ones of their competitors, so this in itself is worth the investment. I'll also be giving you access to 4 weeks of my ProfileMate Bootcamp webinar series, where I'll be taking you through everything from start to finish, showing you real case studies on how I use ProfileMate every single day and make money from it. The 5th bonus I'm giving you is my Instagram and Facebook font changer. This is a tool I created allowing you to change your fonts on Facebook and Instagram that you can use in any Facebook ads, Instagram posts, basically anywhere you want online to stand out from the crowd. Most people don't know how to do this or even know it exists, and it stops people right in their tracks when scrolling through the newsfeed. Finally, I'm giving you access to our ProfileMate engagement report module and our Instagram editing suite. These are tools that we built from the ground up, allowing you to see the engagement stats of any page online to see what works and what doesn't, and also allowing you to edit Instagram images in a way that's going to help send your content viral and increase conversions. So to get complete unrestricted access to ProfileMate, along with all of the bonuses I just mentioned for a one-time tiny investment, you need to act now to become a VIP founding member. If you come back after launch, all of the above will be gone and it will be a monthly fee. So this is a no-brainer to join right now. And what I'm about to do is make it a risk for you not to pick up Profile Mate today. Now, with so many products and sales pages and videos coming out, I'm sure you're a skeptical person like I am. It's very smart to be so. It's natural, especially when the internet marketing world is pushing so much down your throat. This is why I'm removing all the risk for you to grab Profile Mate right now. I am so sure this is going to work for you and I'm going to bet my own money on it. If this is not the easiest, most simple, best social software you have ever used, I do not want your money. That is why within 14 days of your purchase, if you do not like Profile Mate for any reason at all, and it might even just be my voice or my hair, I will actually refund you, no questions asked. Now, to make this a risk for you not to pick up, and this is something I never see any internet marketers offer, if you work with myself and my team and you work with Profile Mate and you don't get any results after 60 days, I will personally double your money back. That is how sure I am that Profile Mate is going to deliver you results, give you the biggest advantage in the online space possible, make you a leader in your field, and the only risk right now is to not grab this because of my double your money back guarantee. So now go through this sales page, see the live testimonials, the results, the demo videos, the bonuses again, and then hit the buy button right now to secure your copy of Profile Mate in launch week and start getting results within the hour. So please guys, don't go back to wasting your money and time on tools that simply don't work, overpromise and underdeliver. Don't go back to trial and error, losing money, trying to get leads and trying to convert them the hard way when Profile Mate automates all of this for you. Please go down, hit the buy button now, grab your copy of Profile Mate risk-free with a double your money back guarantee and start banking with Profile Mate today. So again, my name is Luke McGuire and on behalf of myself and my entire team, I thank you and I'm so excited to meet you in just a few minutes.